Fire and Ice, how can I make your day better?
Are you unhappy with the temperature control in your home? A new or tuned up system can be the answer. High energy bills killing your budget? High efficiency equipment can help to lower those bills dramatically. Do you have seasonal allergies? We can help with that. Is your upstairs way too hot in the summer? You get the idea. You deserve a comfortable home with the best air quality. There's a problem in heating and cooling though. Any contractor will install something for you, but they won't go the extra mile to truly address your concerns. At Fire and Ice Heating and Air Conditioning, that's what we do for thousands of homeowners every year.
Hi, I'm Scott Merritt, the owner of Fire and Ice. In 2004, I started this company right here in Columbus with just a truck and a garage and a willingness to help people. I saw other contractors cutting corners and wanted to do something about it. Inviting us into your home to service and install HVAC equipment isn't something that we take for granted. We value that trust and want to live up to it every single day. That's why we've built the company to always put our customers first.
We built our sales and installation processes from the ground up to do what's right for the customer. If there's something extra that needs to be done to ensure your comfort, we won't do the job unless we take that extra step. HVAC can be complicated, and contractors know this, which makes it easy to cut corners. Sometimes poor workmanship won't become apparent for 5 to 10 years, but it will cost you in the long run.
To avoid cutting corners, our sales team is trained in HVAC to be able to spot problems that need fixed before the day of installation. And our installation and service teams are rigorously trained to make your home more comfortable than it's ever been.
And all of this is to provide you with the best heating and cooling service in Central Ohio. In this digital age, everyone has a website, but we've made ours worth visiting. Why? Because you could become more knowledgeable before a heating and cooling professional ever steps foot in your home. Our online learning center is the best collection of residential heating and cooling information anywhere on the web. So, if you want to become a know-it-all champion for quality heating and cooling services, you've come to the right place. Furnaces, air conditioners, heat pumps, filters, humidity controlling products, air duct cleaning, air purifiers. If it contributes to the comfort of your home, we service and install it, and you can learn why each one is important and what equipment is right for your specific needs.
I'm proud of what Fire and Ice has become, proud of the work that we do, and proud of the people who work tirelessly every day to make our customers' lives better. We're proud to be part of this community through partnerships and charity organizations that strengthen Central Ohio.
Let us earn your business and show you why we're Columbus's most trusted heating and cooling company. Schedule your in-home estimate, service, or repair today by filling out the form here on our website, Fire and Ice Heating and Air Conditioning. Your trust is our business.